Hey guys, and welcome back to another Hey Crypto. On today's video, we'll be exploring Ethereum, the main altcoin. But before we get started, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and these videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. For the first time in history, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies allows individuals to have the same level playing field as entire corporations. Ethereum is the main platform which enables smart contracts. These smart contracts allow for building dApps, decentralized apps, such as finance or decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, gaming, domain names, and other apps. These are all securely built on Ethereum's blockchain. With blockchain technology, your transactions are irreversible, provable, and recorded. Altcoins were built using the same or newer technology, with the core always being the blockchain. Altcoins stand for alternative coins, and the most popular are Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, Tron, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. If you haven't seen my previous video on blockchain, I would highly recommend seeing it first. Before we start, I just want you to see the scale of cryptocurrencies in comparison to other assets. Bitcoin is larger than Visa and MasterCard combined. Can you see how big this industry is? Even Ethereum is larger than MasterCard and Bank of America. Ethereum was first described in 2013 white paper by Vitalik Buterin. Buterin, along with other co-founders, secured funding for the project in an online public crowd sale in the summer of 2014 and officially launched blockchain on July 30th, 2015. Ethereum has a total of 8 co-founders. Russian-Canadian Vitalik Buterin is perhaps the best known of the bunch. He authorized the original white paper that first described Ethereum in 2013 and still works on improving the platform to this day. Prior to Ethereum, Buterin co-founded and wrote for the Bitcoin magazine news website. Mihai Alaisei is a friend of Vitalik who co-founded Bitcoin magazine with Vitalik in 2012. He was the first addition and was responsible for establishing the business and starting legal framework for Ethereum and assisting in establishing the Ethereum Foundation. He was an all-rounder. Amir Chitrit, who helped co-found Ethereum, worked with Vitalik on another Bitcoin project known as Colored Coins, pretty much the first ever NFTs. Vitalik showed Amir his white paper and Amir happily joined Ethereum in early 2013. British programmer Gavin Wood coded the first technical implementation of Ethereum in the C++ programming language, proposed Ethereum native program language Solidity, and was the first chief technology officer of the Ethereum Foundation. Before Ethereum, Wood was a research scientist at Microsoft. Afterwards, he moved on to establish the Web3 Foundation, and then Gavin Wood made Polkadot his own cryptocurrency. Anthony DeLorio, an investor ahead of his time who bought Bitcoin for $9.73 a coin, started the Toronto Bitcoin Meetup group. This is where he met Vitalik, and once he read the first white paper on Ethereum, he was impressed. But before investing, he spoke to one of the leading figures in the industry, Charles Hoskinson. Charles was impressed and they both joined Ethereum. Charles Hoskinson founded the Bitcoin Education Project and the free course created with Brian Goss in 2012 entitled Bitcoin, or How I Learned to Stop Worrying and Love Crypto, which brought attention and understanding to Bitcoin. The course attracted 106,000 people to this day. Anthony sent along Vitalik's white paper after him being initially impressed to get Charles's opinion. Charles liked the idea, calling it really novel idea, but stated that this needed a team around it to figure out how to make this thing happen. And he joined the team with Anthony in 2013. However, Charles left after 6 months to create Cardano, now the number 3 coin. Joseph Lubin, a Canadian entrepreneur who, like DeLorean, has helped fund Ethereum during its early days and later founded an incubator for startups based on Ethereum called Consensus. Jeffrey Wilke, another computer programmer, was in the Netherlands working on Mastercoin, the first ICO. When he heard about Ethereum, he got so interested that he decided to write an implementation of it on Google's Go language on the side. He was added to the founders' rosters alongside Gavin Wood in early 2014. Currently, Vitalik is the only one left at Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency and aims to be the global platform for decentralized applications. Decentralized means to transfer control from a centralized authority, such as an organization, to a distributed network of people. So essentially, to make decision-making fairer by including everyone. What makes Ethereum unique is that it's pioneered the concept of blockchain smart contracts, allowing users from all over the world to write and run software that is resistant to censorship, downtime, and fraud. So the easiest way to think about Ethereum is like Windows or Mac OS, a platform where you can run applications on, except it's censor-proof and there are no barriers to entry, apart from learning the programming language Solidity. The majority of cryptos are built and launched on Ethereum. Most stay on the Ethereum network and some move on to their own blockchains. There are exceptions, however, that start off with their own blockchains from the beginning, like Cardano. Ethereum has a huge backing by companies around the world, and the collective is referred to as the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance. Here is an older image of the companies in question. Now, Ethereum has so much more backing that the logos couldn't fit, and as you can see, it's a list of companies with clickable links. Well, that's nice, but why should you really care? Well, smart contracts allow you to cut out the middleman. Smart contracts are programs stored on the blockchain that run when preset conditions are met. The terms and agreement between buyers and sellers are written in lines of code. So for example, you can buy a car, register it, insure it, and drive it in a few minutes. You can buy a genuine ticket for a music concert, and then if you don't want to go, sell it so easily. You can support your artist by owning part of their song. They will get revenue directly, and so will you. You can stop counterfeit goods such as clothing and medicine by verifying ownership using the blockchain technology. You will be able to see the history of the product and confirm it's genuine and safe to use. We are still at the early stage, but the space is growing at a rapid rate. We have DeFi now, which stands for Decentralized Finance, and NFTs, which stand for Non-Fungible Tokens. These two breakthroughs will change the world the same way Google, Java, mobile apps, and YouTube have. I'll make a separate video on these, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be aware. Ethereum's approach has always been to go by trial and error, meaning launch products and work on them as needed. Whilst this generates huge adoption at the start and participation, the risks are huge. Currently, Ethereum is facing the issue with its fees. The fees are paid in gas, not in Ethereum, and the miners are pretty much in charge of the prices. This means that the prices could go up from $20 to $50, currently hundreds of dollars. Furthermore, with more usage, scalability becomes an issue. which drives up fees even further. Ethereum 2.0 will aim to move Ethereum from a proof-of-work network like Bitcoin with mining to a proof-of-stake network. Proof-of-stake means instead of using energy to create more coins, you stake your Ethereum to the network and in return, you get some Ether back over time. However, there are other platforms catching up, such as Cardano, Polkadot, and Solana. To summarize, the simplest way to understand smart contracts is by looking at the past. So, ATMs weren't always automated. You had to go into a bank, speak to a teller to withdraw. And now, with technology, this has changed. Smart contracts do the same, but can be trusted and are irreversible and tamper-proof. They work by activating a contract when certain conditions are met, which speeds up the process significantly. So imagine buying a house. You find the one you like online, go to it, and want to buy it. The seller sets a smart contract whereby the sale price or more is automatically accepted. When this condition is met, the funds in cash or crypto are sent and the house is yours. The seller can choose what they want to be paid in and it will be converted automatically for them. The blockchain is your guarantor. The paperwork and the deed is yours in minutes without the need to deal with estate agents, solicitors, or banks. Furthermore, your household bills and car registration are moved automatically. This is one example, but the potential is out of this world. Blockchain will be integrated in all our lives, the same way mobile apps are, and this technology will be here soon, so it's wise to invest early on. We don't know which crypto or the numerous cryptos that would be used in the future. I believe we will have a combination of Ethereum, Cardano, and perhaps another crypto, plus a bridge that will connect the blockchains. I recommend you do your own research and you may find the next Apple or Amazon of crypto. Crypto is a worthwhile investment. As you can see, over the past year alone, you could have made a serious amount of money. The opportunities will be bright for us, as we will be able to participate in this futuristic industry and improve our lives. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something today. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more content. On the next episode, we will be discussing Ethereum's main competitor, Cardano, and why it's renowned as the third generation blockchain. I'll see you guys there. Peace.